kung saan ka bababa. Saglit nga, tingnan kung bababa yung ano sa Colon, West Colon. Crossing Jordan Austin Station 971. Austin Station, pwede akong bumaba dito. Saka yung isa naman, Jordan Austin Station. Austin Station nga ako bababa, pares lang. Yan, thank you so much. Kayo pala yung nandyan. Tignan ko yung viewers ko. O bakit wala? Tag-zero ng viewers ko. Lala Moonshine, sis Fanspeed. Thank you so much. Yan, hayaan mo lang mag-zero yan. Marami ding papasok dyan. Now, you are my song, playing so softly. So far, I hoped and I faith. Yan, Sir Dan, tawa ng tawa, Sir Dan, no? Bakit ganun? Nag-zero ako dito, tapos andyan naman kayo. Ito, double decker bus, oh. Yan, Sir Dan, thank you so much. Guys, please support each other, guys. Nagantay ako ng bus. Never. Alam, memorize na kanta, guys. How can I but true enough without you? If you have me without you, la 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 la. Kanta na lang ako, guys. Sir Dan, mega love shout out from France P. How can I but you enough without you? If you can live without you. Kanta na lang ako, guys, ha. I never thought that you. Hala kung ano. Ayan, my friends, Fakira, thank you so much for coming. I'm waiting bus. Yan, guys, thank you so much Sir Fakira for coming. Thank you so much. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? Guys, Fakira is dropping the link. Please support and connect each other. Guys, mamaya ko kayo balikan, guys, later. I'm going to watch your videos later, Fakira, because I'm just do direct live. I have only one phone here. Thank you so much, guys. I'm waiting my bus. I'm waiting the bus, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Sa 3 people mo yan in the house. You are my song, playing so softly. Where are you from, Fakira? Thank you so much for coming to my live stream. I just do 1 hour, 2 hours, something like that, my life. Thank you so much, everyone. Guys, please support and connect each other. Thank you so much. You are my song, playing so softly in my mind. I reach for you. It seems not so far. I hoped and I prayed for you, for someday. No, down inside, you are mine. Guys, sino kayong dalawang nandyan? Ayan, umalis na silang lahat.